reject these customary practices. No?
Right. I think you're also somebody who comes with that unique experience of understanding the rural and urban realities. And what do you think about feminism in general in Pakistan? Do you think it's a Western concept that we have adopted? Because I would rather trust your opinion on this rather than a social justice warrior who doesn't have any experience and is just following a popular concept.
But I would say कि first of all feminism के around जो है ना misconceptions बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. एक तो general misconceptions and then there's a lot of maligning propaganda, you know. So people who are misogynist, who are anti-women will label feminism as being something against men, and they will bracket feminists as women who don't want to marry or don't respect the institution of marriage. इस किस्म की propaganda आपको बहुत नज़र आएगी. But essentially feminism is about equal rights and equal opportunities. And so when we talk about feminism, we are looking at a society in which men and women both have equal opportunities, equal choices, and they are able to live the lives that they want. अब उसमें अगर आप देखते हैं opportunities and choices because of the patriarchal society, जो opportunities women के पास है is much less than the opportunities with men. So education है, अगर आप ये देख लें कि employment है, so lesser opportunity for women than men. Much better than it was maybe 20, 30, 40 years ago. Things are becoming better. When I started my career, I was the only woman. I used to sit in government meetings and I would be surrounded by men. I was unmarried. I still am unmarried. But men would always refer to me as Mrs. Rashta Taur, because I think they just couldn't deal with the fact that ye to ek unmarried woman hai, sort of a thing. So वो जो चीज़ें हैं उससे opportunities, choices are restricted more for women than for men. So that's why when we talk of feminism or we talk about gender, the emphasis is more on women. Because they are the more disadvantaged. But it doesn't mean that we are not talking of equal rights. We are talking of equal rights. So equal rights for men. और एक मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि जैसे मिसाल के तौर पे the right to choose a life partner. I think in our society both men and women are often not asked their point of view when choosing a life partner. तो उसमें women तो disadvantaged हैं ही, but a lot of men are also not asked, तो वहाँ एक थोड़ी सी equality है discrimination में. But in many other things, for example, अगर एक आदमी को let's say 10 बजे बाहर जाना है ना रात के, he will not think twice, he'll just go out and there's no problem. But for a woman to step out at 10 o'clock at night, she has to think, how am I going to go, what is security situation, etc. I have been living in Islamabad now for almost 25 years, and initially when I was renting a place, the first thing I had to think about is that what kind of people are around me. Is it secure or not? Normally a man doesn't have to worry so much about these things. तो ये चीज़ें जब आप उसको देखेंगे हर सतह पे आपको ये चीज़ें नजर आएंगी.
And when it comes to like equal rights, I think it also sort of like I was once having a discussion with somebody and I mentioned about the violence that in some form men also face in their marriages, and so in that conversation I was having, it was like hard to sort of like win that argument that this happens. But again, I think this is something that is not even like considered, that the violence also happens on the other side as well, and like a lot of injustice that happens in the society. Yes, women are more subjected to that, but it's not that they're exclusively facing that.
बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट ये जो कमेंट है ना, वी ऑफन गेट दिस, लाइक व्हेन यू टॉक ऑफ जेंडर बेस्ड वायलेंस, you talk of women facing violence, or you talk of domestic violence, we get this comment very often कि मगर husband को भी तो कोई मारता है ना. But you think about it in the larger scheme of things, you know, how often does that happen? जो औरत है उसको तो not only is she subjected, she lives with that threat. जैसे हम domestic violence की बात करते हैं, not even spousal relation में, a lot of rape is within the family. तो you know, an uncle or a cousin or something. So आप ये सोचे कि एक औरत तो अपने घर के अंदर भी महफूज नहीं है, you know. अच्छा, ये बात है कि मर्द भी एट रिस्क होते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं. मर्द के साथ भी क्या कहते हैं, वायलेंस होता है, और हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत होता है. मगर in the larger scheme of things, that is minuscule to the violence that a woman experiences or is at risk for her entire life, whatever age she is. You know, obviously when a woman is younger, she is at greater risk. But आप ये देखें कि कई दफ़ा आपको older person के भी you find rape cases, you know, mistreatment, all kinds of things happen, you know. तो वो at risk जो है, in the larger scheme of things, it's a woman more.
Okay, so talking about feminism, when we think about like the modern day feminism, do you think that we are taking it too far, like in terms of जो recent एक buzz create हुआ because of that मेरा जिस्म मेरी मर्जी campaign, and then we have these Women's Day as well, but which is all in the right direction, I guess. But at the same time, do you feel that we are sort of like off the topic now, and we are not exactly hitting where we need to hit?
तो औरत मार्च फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कुछ सालों से बहुत सक्सेसफुली बहुत सारे सिटीज़ में हो रहा है. पहले आई थिंक स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, पेशावर में भी होता है, हैदराबाद में भी बहुत सक्सेसफुली होता है. सो आई थिंक व्हाट दे हैव डन इज़ दैट दे हैव ब्रॉट आउट इनटू ओपन मैनी इश्यूज़ दैट आई थिंक वर कंसिडर्ड टू बी टबू टू डिस्कस. और हम लोग जो स्लाइटली ओल्डर एक्टिविस्ट हैं, वी आर इन ऑ ऑफ द औरत मार्चर्स, वी आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट. मगर जो एक ज़्यादा यंग लीडरशिप जो आई है औरत मार्च के ज़रिए, आई थिंक कि हम सोचते हैं कि ये हम तो बड़ी सोच समझ के जो है ना अपने इश्यूज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करते थे, एंड दे हैव बीन रियली आउट इन द ओपन, एंड दे हैव बीन ब्रिलियंट. आई थिंक दे हैव देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन इज़ दैट दे ब्रॉट आउट इनटू ओपन मैनी इश्यूज़ दैट वर वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू डिस्कस. एंड जो प्लैकार्ड्स हैं औरत मार्च that have become such a big thing, you know, they attract everybody's attention and all of that, I think are fabulous. And you look at them, they are completely organic, and they are in fact I find incredibly creative कि जिस तरीके से ये प्लैकार्ड्स आते हैं. अच्छा, जो बहुत ही मशहूर हुआ मेरा जिस्म मेरी मर्ज़ी, और बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल भी हो गया. what was interesting was कि जो एंटी वुमेन सेंटिमेंट है, एंटी फेमिनिस्ट सेंटिमेंट है, दे ट्राई टू प्रोजेक्ट मेरा जिस्म मेरी मर्जी एज सेइंग के अच्छा ये मतलब है कि women should sleep around with whoever they want, which was never what the slogan meant for. The slogan means के you cannot touch me, you cannot come near me until मेरी मर्जी जब तक नहीं हो, you cannot touch me. That is what it means. And it's obviously a lot of women who have experienced violence, उनकी तरफ से ये बात है कि you know आप मुझे नहीं, मेरी मर्जी के बगैर आप मेरे जिस्म को नहीं छू सकते. बट आई थिंक जो उस कंट्रोवर्सी में भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली ना, was to have a discussion around that, and we had this discussion with a lot of the community people that we work with, men and women. And जब ये डिस्कशन हमने शुरू किया तो a lot of the men had the same notion कि अच्छा this means कि you can sleep around or something. And then when we explained what it really means, I remember one of our activists, male, he said कि अच्छा बाजी आज से तो फिर मैं भी feminist हो गया हूँ. मैं कहा बिल्कुल, you know, so एक ये भी जो feminism में एक problem ये है कि people tend to think that feminism is only something that women pursue. You can have male feminists as well, and we do have in our society even men who are committed to equal rights and equal opportunities. होते हैं ऐसे, but क्योंकि ज़्यादातर women lead the way.